How to fix Instagram followers glitch on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram followers glitch on Android phone. First thing, just open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and then click apps again, and here you will find Instagram. Click on it and go to storage, clear cache, and click this one here, clear cache, and then just go back, and that's it, and your problem must be fixed. Or you can just restart your phone, click restart, and that's how to fix Instagram followers glitch on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.